Hello, I'm Merlin, Sunride Technical Lead. Today we are going on a trip to AC Composites to manufacture the glass fibre nose cone for Karman Alpha. We've got 4 people going on the trip today. We've got Stephen behind the camera, Matthew and Adam, who's not here yet. They've set up the mould and everything, so we're going to head down to their manufacturing facilities, actually build the nose cone, get some experience manufacturing glass fibre composites.
Oh, it looks brilliant. It does look brilliant.
We've got drill bushes that we put into the mould tool. So when we'll lay up both halves of the tool, one will leave long, the other will leave short. Stagger the plies off. So we've been working on the layup for that. And then you fold the layers back, bolt the two mould tools together, use the bushes in here, dowels.
Yeah.
And that'll perfectly locate it on the other half.
I see. So you use those for both finishing the mould on one side and locating the two halves together?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
A left and a right hand mould tool.
Yeah.
They'll come together like this. You can see it there. When I pin it in place,
it's perfect.
It's perfect, yeah?
Perfect, yeah.
We will normally use masking tape to make the template.
Yeah.
So we can make the template, we can put the orientation on it. We're going to do everything up at naught because your real stiffness is going up that way, isn't it?
Absolutely.
We don't need any torsional going across that way. So, and the material we've got is it's an 8 harness satin weave. Harness satin with 38% resin content.
You ready? I feel like I should be a doctor. I've taken up medicine.
Be a doctor without having to do 5 years.
Yeah, you just put on blue gloves and you're just like, yeah, doctor.
So I'll take this off so you can have a look at the material that we're using. You can see it's very, very sticky. With that oversized, we're going to take the back off, we're going to lay it in and trim it flush with these edges. And we're going to trim it into the bottom of that joggle at the back. If I start with this one first.
Oh, professional. I saw how quick that was. This is going to be brilliant. Oh, not that side. We have put the first layer of pre-preg in, and we're now going to wrap it, vacuum pack it, and put it in the autoclave oven.
perfect vacuum, did it?
Yeah. You can still see them there. That level of loss is fine. The vac pump's maintaining that, but you wouldn't want to see the vacuum start coming up here.
Because that's lost. So today we were with Andy at AC Composites, getting the opportunity to actually make and start making the nose cone for Karman Alpha. And I just want to say thank you so much for all the effort and work that you've put in and all the help that you've supplied Sunrise. It's been a pleasure. No, it really has. Thank you so much.
Brilliant.